Want you to love me like my dog does, baby. When I come home, want you to jump.
People don't think that being a dog's hard. People don't know if we got a schedule or not. But we do. We got a tough schedule. I wake up, take a good poop, drink some water, eat breakfast, scratch my butt, and start the day. Explore in the backyard, laying on the porch, taking a nap, practice my words. I talk every day. Most days, I chase a ball. Other days, I make Dad chase the ball. Sleeping on my bed, sleeping on Mom and Dad's bed. And then, I check out the house. Beg for food. Wrestle with Dad. Napping in my lazy chair. And then I was like, food! And then I was like,
You to love me like my dog does, baby. When I come home, want you to just go crazy. He never looks at me like he might.